Hi, I'm John with Bone Dry Roofing. We're going to be discussing the difference in how roofs used to be installed versus how we install a roof the bone dry way. The two main components of how roofs used to be installed are felt paper that is very brittle and can tear during installation and is only 24 to 48 hours water resistant. Many roofs also were installed using 3-tab shingles that only has a 60 mile/hour wind rating, and those often blow off during heavy thunderstorms. Now for a bone dry roof. The first thing we do is tear off down to the decking and ensure we have a solid nailable surface. Next up is the first item installed, gutter apron. This piece ensures that all the water that leaves the roof goes into the gutter and can't lip around inside the home. After that is ice and water shield. This is a 3-foot peel and stick membrane that self-heals around nails. This also helps to ensure that we don't have any damage from ice damming in the wintertime. Next is the synthetic felt. This covers the rest of the roof and is much more durable than that felt paper. This is 6 months water resistant, tear resistant, and we actually use it for emergency tarps when very bad thunderstorms come through an area. After that is the drip edge. Drip edge hangs over the edge of the roof up to the peak to ensure that no wind-driven rain will get under the shingles. It also has a kick-out feature to ensure that water wicks away from the home and keeps the home bone dry. Following this is the first shingle or the starter strip. This goes around the entirety of the perimeter to ensure that we have a solid seal all the way to the edge and that the shingles can't blow up in high winds. The next shingle is the duration dimensional shingle. It has a patented sure nail strip through it where the nails go, and this helps give it a 130 mile/hour wind rating, so much more durable in those thunderstorms. And then we move on to ventilation. The VentSure ridge vent goes at the peak to ensure that the attic space has a lot of area to move that hot air through and regulate the temperature. It utilizes the Bernoulli effect, so when wind blows over the top of the ridge, it creates draw out of that attic space to help regulate that temperature. Last but not least is the hip and ridge shingle. This goes over the top of the ridge and on any other creased or peaks or hips because it has a special additive that gives the shingle flexibility so it won't crack. I hope this has helped you understand the differences between how roofs used to be installed and how we do it the bone dry way.